Once again, welcome back to Avi's and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make Natukodi Kura or country chicken curry in Hamari style. It is one of the popular dish in Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Telangana. It's a very tasty, good for health also. Wow, it looks delicious. So let's start. Here we have taken cleaned country chicken. Here you can see we didn't remove the skin also because it will give more taste to our curry. Now we are going to make our curry paste. For that we have taken onion, tomato, ginger and garlic. Now take a mixer jar and add all ingredients one by one. Make a smooth paste as shown here. Now keep it aside. Now take a pan, add oil into it. Once oil heat up, add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Mix it and fry it for a few seconds. Now add country chicken pieces. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Remove the lid. Mix it once. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now add prepared curry paste into it. Mix with all. Now cover with a lid. Let it fry for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now remove the lid. Here you can see chicken is getting cooked nicely. Now mix it once. Add garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add water as much as you required. Mix it. Now cover with a lid and let it cook for 40 to 45 minutes on a medium flame. And this chicken needs to be cooked for a longer because country chicken will be very hard. So make sure it should get cooked nicely and piece should be soft. Now remove the lid. Wow, the smell is awesome. Here you can see our chicken cooked so well. So we can turn off the flame now. Here is our delicious country chicken curry or Natukodi Kura. It's ready. Garnish with some fresh coriander and serve hot. You can serve with a rice or a garelu or a ragi sangati. Even it will be good with a roti also. Hope you liked it. If yes, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notifications. Thank you.